Alhamdulillah, we are in the month of Rajab. A month of Rajab is the month where it's the time of Tahajjud. Doors for Rahmat get open, and from here on only things get brighter. So after Tahajjud time comes the pre-dawn time, and then comes the dawn itself. Rajab is the Tahajjud time, Shaban is the pre-dawn time, and then Ramadan is the dawn itself. Rajab is the month where you start preparing so that you're ready for the month of Ramadan to get the benefits, get the barakat, get the rewards of Ramadan from the sunset of the last day of Shaban, not from the first day of Ramadan. From the sunset of last day of Shaban, you're ready for it. Your heart is getting filled with the barakahs of that month. There's a common saying, it's something that explains and captures the entire essence of this preparation that starts from Rajab and into Ramadan, goes into Ramadan, is that Rajab is the time to prepare the land, Shaban is the time to sow the seeds, and Ramadan is the month to enjoy the fruits. Must make that dua that Allahumma barik lana fi Rajab wa Shaban wa ballighna Ramadan. Lord, Ya Allah, put barakah for us in the month of Rajab and Shaban, and Ya Allah, take us to the month of Ramadan.